don't know if it's filming. It's not even in focus.
Oh. 17th time lucky. Maybe 18th.
This is so hard. So we basically filmed the whole video. Well, all the videos. And we haven't really given much context of what's happening. Because it's just really weird talking to a camera.
We bought a yacht.
So we bought a yacht during lockdown. We've been planning it for a few months, but like the whole thing just turned around in like a few weeks.
It happened a lot faster, I think, than
It
we
happened
expected.
so quickly.
Yeah.
Christian had to fly out a week before me from Mallorca to Greece to like sort everything out, and then I had to stay back in Mallorca like packing up our apartment and like sorting that out. So I've just
It's been
arrived.
a bit manic. And I've been living basically in a farm by myself for a week.
On a boat in the middle of a shipyard, literally in the middle
In
of
lockdown
nowhere.
in Greece.
In lockdown.
Not allowed to leave, not allowed to eat. I think I've eaten cereal 3 times a day.
I feel like we're really wonky. I've just realised.
I don't know if the camera's wonky or we are. We're like this.
I've just realised it's so wonky, we're like this. I promise the videoing is going to get a lot better. You're a bit like what's happening?
So look how many, but I just can't believe still how many boats. Look, I'm gonna go the long way round.
Why?
Just a joke.
Should you play a game? Should you play like?
No, you know what it looks like.
Oh, I don't. They all look the same to me. I don't know which one it is. They all look the same.
We've gone past it.
Have we?
No.
Look, they all have a blue bottom. They're all
they
sailing
don't.
boats, and that's about as much as I can, about as much as I know. I thought I saw it.
We found it. Can you see it?
Is it that one there? It doesn't feel real. Like I don't feel like this is real right now.
Really? We hear.
Oh my god. Okay, I need to get down. I can't believe I'm here. It's huge.
It is massive.
I can't see the end. Oh my god. Like, look how big it is.
It's actually crazy.
I'm just so shocked. I can't go in. I want to go in so bad. This is huge too.
Yeah, I know, it's perfect. It's literally perfect.
I'm just so excited. I don't know how to like explain it. It's way bigger than what I thought it would be like. Where?
Like here, like all of these, we can make this like really shiny and all of this.
Okay.
But for now it's not that important.
How happy are you?
I just want to get moving now.
I know, same.
Been here a week.
I really want to put it in the water. I can't believe you spent a whole week on this boat by yourself. Don't know how you do it.
There you go. After you.
Sorry, okay, stop doing that. Oh my god. I don't know what to say.
It's big, isn't it?
I'm so speechless. It's huge.
Yeah.
Like, I can...
It's massive.
I can't touch it unless I get on my tiptoes.
It's perfect, isn't it?
I could probably get like a job. What did you do? What did you do?
What?
What did you my god, stop. Oh my god, this is too I'm gonna cry again. Why did he... Oh my god, thank you so
For a better confirmation. Yeah.